Bros and hams, bros, bro hams, and of course, ladies. Welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bedwars. I'm here with Roaras.
Yeah.
Is that how you pronounce it? How do you pronounce it?
Yeah, you got it right.
Alright. Alright, so
Yep.
he's pretty cool.
The key is to emphasize the ass.
I didn't mean to. I didn't think about it until afterwards. And then I was like, maybe that's just how I'm supposed to pronounce it. Dude, look at this guy. Whoa, he's getting knocked off. And look at this guy. He was supposed to get knocked off. There he goes. He's into the void. Nice. Yes, that was a final. Let's go. No, my final.
I'm getting this one. No. Ow, I hit him with the compass instead. Oh, this guy said he quit.
You almost made me fall.
I want the final. I didn't get the final.
You don't get the final. You didn't hit him.
Why not? I want the bet I meant.
Oh.
Oh, he has a sharpness iron sword and I don't like it. How close is he behind me?
He fell. And the other one is... The other one's getting killed by me, so...
So good at video games.
Yeah, he took fall damage. No, Hypixel, don't lag now. Alright, this other gray guy's on me, though. So
that's asking a lot from Hypixel.
Dude, it was bad. I was, like, really close. Hold on.
Oh my god!
Alright, did I hit him? I hit him first. I don't know if I knocked... I did! Hey, yes, let's go!
Hey. You're gonna get their bed, right?
They have obby. I can't. What I am gonna do...
Lemon god.
Don't worry. That's good. You died. That means I can,
Very supportive to me.
Let me die. I've done pick now, though, so...
Now you just have to stay alive.
Now I just have to hit him off. Which I did. And hopefully I get the bed.
Yeah, the other one's coming towards you. Yep, there you go.
Alright, let's go. Get you out of the map.
Go.
Let's go. Where's the other one now?
Mid. He's...
Now he's running.
Now he is. He better not buy, like, diamond armor. That's exactly what he did as soon as I got here. Well, he's dead, so.
Probably, you got him. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, this guy's looks like a sweat.
Oh, you're kind of dying. Oh, you died.
QIQ.
He has no bed defense. Got the bed. Oh, let's go.
I got one.
Oh, nice. Where'd the diamonds go? Do you have them?
They're still on the bridge.
Yeah, hold on. I'm putting them close to our bridge so that we can get them.
Yeah, go ahead.
Because normally what I try to do is I put them away. Like wait, I'm trying to talk while PvPing and it's not very good.
You died.
I was saying normally whenever I get diamonds, like the best thing to do is just put them far enough away from the diamond generator to where it can spawn more, and you can get it on the way back.
Oh yeah.
So because normally if you just leave them there, you only get 4, but if you like put them a ways away, you can get 6, and then you can get like prot 4 and sharp, or prot 2 and sharp. Oh wait, I have 10.
Oh wait.
Yeah, I see him. It's fine. I'll stall him so you can come.
Where'd he go? Oh.
That was literally exactly how I had it panned out in my head.
Oh, great. Why is every team going for us?
Oh my gosh, dude, no. Get this guy out of here.
Oh, wait. Are you good over there?
No, I'm good. These people are just annoying. Everyone's going for us.
Yeah.
Which is not the vibe.
Hey, no, we're recording. No. There you go. I got another trap. Other gray guy is in.
Or this guy's coming.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to go for the play.
What? What? Dude, why he has to lag back like that? White's right here. Nah, dude, they kind of got flawless. It was kind of a...
Oh, gray's lagging. Oh my... Oh, no! That's another gray! I didn't know there was a gray! I love gray's name. Just... They have some pretty fantastic names.
Oh, whoa, no. I don't have an axe. I only have a pickaxe. Oh, that's a rip.
I'm gonna get your bed, White. Bye, bed.
Wait, there's other people in the game besides red and gray?
Yeah, we still didn't take out white, green, and blue.
I didn't know green and blue existed. I'm gonna go around gray.
And then what?
Try to get their bed because it's a 1v1 right now.
Oh, okay.
Although now that guy's coming back. No, this is not how you're supposed to play the game. Hold on. I have a plan though. I have a knockback stick.
You have a knockback stick.
Or he can puke off the emeralds. Thank you. This is why I play Bedwars.
That kid was literally camping in the frickin' block the whole time.
Thank you so much for doing that.
Yeah, I only had a gold pick that whole time too.
I'm such an idiot. Why? Dude, I was gonna pearl to them. And you know what happened?
You fell off?
Dude, I had my pearl in the wrong spot. There's a guy right here. He's gonna want to 1v1 me.
Go for it. I can't buy anything with these 4 diamonds.
Yes.
Did you get him?
One PvP, PvP. Oh, I only have a stone sword. What am I doing? I could have killed him. Ah! Come on. He's at 2. He's at 1.5 heart. Dude, just look at this. Look at this map. Just look how much litter there is everywhere.
It's like a mess. That's what it looks like.
I'm just gonna place more blocks. Why not?
Just add to the monstrosity. That's the map. They're still focused on me.
That was nice.
Go.
And oh boy, trick shots. Oh my gosh. Did you steal it?
No use to the bow. But did I steal it?
No.
No. I still need a.
Look at Yellow's bridge. It's just like a fish hook.
Oh shoot! Well, you got that.
There's only one yellow, so I'm gonna team wipe them. I'm gonna use a TNT though, just because I can. Oh, actually, this guy's actually good. Alright, that was some big lag.
Got him?
I had dropped down, took fall damage, got boosted up by my TNT and took more fall damage.
Green ink to yellow. Find you. Find you. Find you.
I know. This guy was almost trying to block clutch though. I just had to make sure he didn't. Why do people side rush on this map? I just like, I don't like it.
I was gonna say, didn't we just do that like 2 seconds ago? But no, that wasn't.
Well, I know, but green built the bed first, so it's.
Oh my god, no! I'm dead.
Don't die! Oh no! Come on. I'm going to try to get pink. The thing is, they're actually good. All right. Well, pink died, and the other one is after me. Oh, this is great. Only one of the pinks is actually like coming after me. The other
one of the pinks is fighting blue.
What?
And
what
died.
Is that? What is that? What is that?
Both of them died.
Only one of them died. Alright, PvP. I have no stuff compared to these people.
1 kill. Oh. Dang. Good job.
Is that gonna get him? Please get him.
Oh,
let's go! It wasn't a final kill, but like for me at least, but it was still.
Yeah, but she still killed him.
Right,
now it's a 1v2.
Now I have to learn. Now I have to know how I can bait these people away.
I can tell you what they have on their base. So the first layer looks like wool. The second layer is obsidian.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Oh, shoot, this is not good.
NT.
Those are the language of. That's the language of the gods right there.
You got people. I mean, person. Imam. He's the one with chain. You might want to watch. Yeah.
No, I'm gonna bait him and I'll ender pearl to his base. They're both here. They're idiots. They're absolute idiots. Come on, be idiots. Thank you. Thank you.
Watch you miss. No, imagine. Oh, you were cutting it close.
Dude, that was pretty close. Are they going to avoid?
What? No. They were smarter than that. Oh, Imam is ink. Chain guy. Nice. Oh, you killed him. Yeah!
Let's go! Dude, that was insane! Alright, this is the end. Subscribe to Roaras, like it says above his name. Do you want to say anything? Do you want to say anything?
It's been fun.
Alright. And then the outro sound is